नमस्कार. आयच्या या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्या येवकार आनी जशें तुमी पळोवपाक शकतात आमचे बरोबर आसात काँग्रेसीचे दिग्गज नेते राहुल गांधी सर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाऊ सिग्निफिकंट इज दिस इलेक्शन फॉर काँग्रेस पार्टी एज फार एज गोवा इज कन्सर्न?
All elections are very, very important. This is the people of Goa deciding their future, and so it's a very, very important election to us.
So you are focusing on three major issues as far as Goa is concerned: environment and economy. How do you look at both these issues, and what Congress can do if Congress comes to power?
Well, environment is key to Goa, right? People know Goa because of the beauty, because of the culture of the people, and because of the environment. If you were to imagine a Goa where the environment is ruined, people will not want to come here, on holiday. So it's a very important thing for Goa. Also, I don't believe that Goa should be made into a coal hub. I think it's completely short-sighted. This is not in the interest of the people of Goa. So we have clearly said that we're not going to allow Goa to become a coal hub. We're going to develop Goa's strength, that is tourism. So that's how we're thinking about it.
So
you asked me about
economy.
jobs and economy. We've put 500 crores for development of jobs in Goa. The Prime Minister has spent a lot of time attacking small and medium businesses, Notebandi, GST, floored GST, farm bills. We will protect the small businesses, small and medium businesses. We will build tourism infrastructure. We've spoken to sort of the tourism industry. I've personally spoken to different stakeholders in the tourism industry. We're going to help them with that, and then sustainable legal mining.
One of the major issues have been defections and a lot of exodus from the Congress party. Do you think the trust deficit that has been developed over a period of last 5 years because of the exodus, Congress has been able to bridge it now?
Frankly, I've been watching this for some time, and I'm actually quite happy with the exodus because the junk has left the Congress party and has gone elsewhere. We now have a very solid group of candidates. We've got young people, we've got dynamic people. We made a commitment to the people of Goa. The people of Goa said, don't have defectors. So we said we're not going to have a single defector, and we kept our promise. So it is our intention to be a government that listens to the people of Goa. We understand that the people of Goa have a vision for themselves. They have beliefs. We want to listen to those beliefs. We want to understand that vision, and together we want to build Goa.
So what do you think the party needs to do so that what happened post 2017 is not repeated again?
Well, it's important to understand what happened then. Right? What happened there was that the BJP stole the mandate of the people of Goa. Right? The Congress party had won the election, and BJP used corruption, money to buy that election. Well, this time we are going to be extremely careful, and we are going to move immediately the minute the election is over. I think the Congress party is going to sweep this election, right? So I think that question is not going to arise at all. But regardless, the minute the election is declared, we will be forming the government.
One interesting fact is the aspect of Nehru ji has been brought into Goa elections now, and suddenly the issue of Goa liberation has been brought at the forefront from Parliament to the Prime Minister's meeting yesterday. Yeah. How are you responding to that? Because suddenly there is an attempt to create an atmosphere that Congress is responsible for delayed liberation.
The Prime Minister obviously can't come to Goa and say, I gave you jobs. He can't come to Goa and say, I built your economy. He can't come to Goa and said, I helped you during COVID. He can't do these things. I mean, because if he was to do it, it would be ridiculous. The people of Goa just look at him and say, So he's got to distract. He's got to distract the attention of the people of Goa. Everybody knows what Jawaharlal Nehru ji did. Academics have written about it. Maybe the BJP people and the Prime Minister should pick up some history books and read a bit of history. It will help them.
But sir, how do you respond to the fact that every time a figure like historical figure, prominent figure, tall figure like Nehruji is brought back into controversy in present times?
I mean, what difference does it make to me? I mean, Nehruji did what he had to do. He spent years in jail. As far as I can see, he was a great person. He lived his life for his country. Of course, Mr. Modi, of course, he's going to throw stones on him because when the British were here, the BJP and the RSS, read the history books what their role was. They were colluding with the British. The RSS was colluding with the British. Their leaders were busy signing documents surrendering. They were, so there's a history to this. The Congress Party fought for independence. We have a long list of leaders who sacrificed their lives, years and years in jail. Mr. Modi can't say that, this RSS leader sacrificed, spent 15 years. He can't say, that this RSS leader fought the British. So then, what else can he say?
TMC and AAP, they are trying to make foray into Goa. They are kind of in an expansionist mode, and they are suddenly
they're trying very hard, but they're not succeeding.
And the whole pitch is they want to take the Congress space. How do you respond to that?
See, the Congress is an idea, right? The Congress is a particular way of thinking about things, right? Congress is respect for different ways of thinking. Congress is affection for other people. Congress is humility, right? They don't really do that, right? They think the Congress is an organization, right? And the Congress is a political organization. No, Congress is a way of thinking. When an Indian person is humble and is affectionate to another Indian person, that's Congress, right? That's not so easy to replicate.
But when they talk about a new UPA or a replacement of a UPA, how does it feel? Do you think? Because everybody time and again says that Congress is the pivot of the opposition or a non-BJP space, and suddenly there are statements from leaders like Mamata Banerjee that come forward saying that this UPA should be replaced.
Everybody is free. Everybody is free to make whatever comment they want, right? Everybody is free to say whatever they want. Doesn't mean you have to react to everything everyone says.
You're declared CM candidate in Punjab. Why is the strategy different in Goa?
We have a sitting CM in Punjab, and the political Punjab basically asked us to do that, to declare the CM. It's not the need here. It's not the need in Uttarakhand.
Final question, sir. How do you see UP elections shaping up? I met JP Nadda almost an hour back, and he said that it's a one-sided sweep, it's a landslide again, 300 plus seats. What's your assessment?
Well, I'm not into the business of soothsaying. I don't predict things. I can tell you that in Goa, in Punjab, Uttarakhand and Manipur, the Congress is going to win the election. Of course, in Uttar Pradesh, we'll have a very good result. We're not in a position to form the government there, but we're going to have a very good result in Uttar Pradesh.
Sir, you're on a very busy campaign trail, but you took your time out and spoke. It was a pleasure talking to you. Pleasure. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I want to wish all the people of Goa, you are facing a decision. I know that you're going to support the Congress and be very supportive of us, but I also want to tell you that you're an inspiration to me. Your way of life, your way of thinking about things, of course the beauty of your land, your history, these are things that are inspirations to me. Thank you very much for this.
Thanks a lot for talking.